it built up to like, I don't know, 15,000, 20,000 people. The political establishment didn't expect that. So they freaked out. And there wasn't a clash or anything, but suddenly they started throwing gas bombs. And it was just like, you know, you're going out with your wife and your baby and you're protesting this. And since like we're not affiliated with any political movement here, they cannot like, you know, have a deal with us or which make us more dangerous for them because you're not part of this corrupted system, you're not part of anything, and just like random people. And they wanted, like, they always wanted like us, yeah, just like let's sit and talk and do that. And they wanted to push it further, to kill it basically, just like let it sleep now. And I don't think we should have just used the peaceful way to protest. I think we should have fucked things up big time, because it's self-defense, and this establishment is trying to kill us, and I'm defending myself.